What's up there, crew? Matt here with the Rhinestone World. So this Tuesday, April 23rd, 8 p.m. Eastern Time, I'm going to be doing a YouTube Live, and we're going to have a crazy special on our temperature color changing adhesive vinyl, our ColorSpark brand. So what this is going to be is we are going to have 100 of these available. You are going to get 6 5-foot rolls of temperature color changing adhesive vinyl for $54.99. Retail price is $65, so you are going to save about $10, but here is the best part about it. There's only 100 of these available, all right? 50 of them will start as a pre-sale, then we will do another 50 starting at 8 p.m. Eastern Time on Tuesday, April 23rd. Once they're sold out, they're sold out. Every purchase of the bundle that you do on the website will earn you a wheel spin, okay? Temperature color changing vinyl, if you've never seen it before, haven't used it, check out the videos. It's a freaking amazing material. But the prizes, over $3,500 in prizes, and you order one bundle, you are guaranteed a prize. Every order of a bundle is guaranteed a prize and guaranteed a spin on the wheel here. We have 100 balls in here. We have 100 prizes to give away, all the way from a free TRW font up to a mini pack, up to a Silhouette Cameo 4, a $50 credit to the website. And one purchase, you have a chance of winning a Cameo. All right, let's do a test spin, see what it's like. So you just bought 6 rolls, $54.99, under $10 a roll. You're getting a huge discount on that, and it's gonna be 6 different colors. Let's see what you would have won with this purchase. All right, the first one that comes out is number 13. Number 13, that's a $200 full artwork pack. Now, that's not going to happen all the time, but first person just won a $200 full artwork pack. Next one is number 59. Number 59, 2 TRW fonts. I mean, those are $18 to $20 each. Next one, number 20, look at that, what are the chances? Number 23, Silhouette Cameo 4. You just won a $230 Silhouette Cameo 4 and got 30 feet or 6 rolls of temperature color changing adhesive vinyl. So, as you can see, Tuesday is going to be crazy. We are doing 50 pre-sales. Those are available now. By the time you watch this video, they may be sold out. If they are sold out, 8 p.m. Eastern Time on Tuesday on the YouTube channel, make sure to be there right at 8, because at 8 o'clock, the next 50 will go on sale. There is a max of 100. If we sell out of all 100, it is a guaranteed Silhouette Cameo 4 winner of one of those 100 purchases. Thanks for watching. Link in the description to set your reminder for the YouTube video now. And I will see you guys Tuesday night, April 23rd, 8 p.m. Eastern Time on the Rhinestone World YouTube channel. Later.